All right, hey, I'm Kevin Barrett, and I'm from Marion, Virginia. What I did before Dean King is I worked for an industrial supply company, and kind of burnt out on the sales game. So I figured, why not start my own business, do something that I can work with my hands, and that's about it, really. And that's why I'm here. Before coming to Dean King's, I had no experience with PDR. I heard about it, saw some things about it, but other than that, no, I really didn't have any experience with it. So I figured I'd give it a shot. Oh man, training's been wild. It's, definitely one of the most satisfyingly, aggravating things I've ever done in my life. And what I mean by that is, it's, aggravating at first, trying to get things to go the way you want it to, but then, once you get that final product, you get that 80%, or just seeing your progression, it's very satisfying seeing what you can take from from where it's at when you get the product, or, you get the hood, you get that dent, whichever. Once you get there, and then you get, you see that progression, it's very satisfying. So I look at it as, aggravatingly satisfying. For after training right now is I've kind of started up a detailing shop back home in Virginia, and I just wanted to be more well-rounded, have a little bit more things to, offer to my customers as far as, just aside from just detailing. I'll be able to when I leave here, I'll be able to say, yes, I can do your ceramic coatings on your car. Yes, I can do, your paintless dent removal. I can do, headlight restorations, windshield chips, things of that nature, just to give my customers an overall, one-stop shop instead of having to be like, let's go here for my guy that can do my windshield, let's go here for my guy that can do my PDR. I want it to be one-stop shop. Thanks Dean King, thanks Todd, thank, all of my instructors that's helped me along the way, Sal and James, they've been a really big help. They've really, taught me how to, step back, take a breather, and be patient with everything. And it's been hands-on since day one. I was, coming into this, I figured it was going to be, set in a classroom, death by PowerPoint kind of deal. But, from day one, it was like, okay, we're going to sit in front of this TV screen for 5 minutes, and then it was like, bam, go, let's go do this. And it's been really fun, learning all the different tools and how to, push certain dents, and it's just been a wild ride, but it's been definitely a very big learning experience.